All right, so here is the 335 from that box. Now you're probably not going to see that video until at least Sunday sometime because my internet speed is terrible, but we'll try and keep this pretty quick. But I had this and two other 335s in a box sitting on the bedroom floor for like 8 or 9 months, and I'm just getting around to doing it now. And so this is I spent a little time here this afternoon and got one of them going. This is the oldest of the bunch. It's from 2 of 1971, so February 1971. I had to pull the check valve. I had to put a different cap on it. Well, actually, I traded a cap from one of the other ones that was in a little bit better shape than this one was. But I checked everything, the valve and the, cleaned the hat with a little bit of steel wool, cleaned the frame, cleaned the collar with a little steel wool, put some of my secret sauce in there, the seafoam and acetone. And it's still running. It's been out here running. This is, what is it now? It's, I think about 8:30, almost 8:45. This thing's been running since about 4:30, so. And it's going to sit here and run and run and run until it runs out of gas. Fuel, rather, Coleman fuel. I do not use gasoline. But, yeah, this is a case study, and you can do this, like, with just minimal stuff. And I did it in front. Unfortunately, the video I made, there was a glitch and part of it went missing. But there you go. There's a 335, just a Governor. And I appreciate you guys looking. Anybody that was watching the video or participated in my live stream earlier, thank you very much. I know there's a lot of people that support this stuff and that, so I'm glad you're all kicking around. There's like I said, the Canadian, this is the ubiquitous 335, the Canadian 200A. I mean, we got 200s here too, but this is like, this is not available in the US. There's a few of them there, but this was a Canadian only thing, so. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for looking. I'm sure you guys are going to see this way before the whole video of the resto pops up, but thanks a lot. Take care. Fire it up Friday. Gotta go.